What's going on, guys? This is Fuzzy Yeti Vlogs here, but if you prefer it, you can call me Fuzzy. We are in Las Vegas, staying in the Stratosphere Hotel. That is our room. Today, we're going to go see the Hoover Dam and walk along
Las Vegas Strip.
Las Vegas Strip. So, stick around if you want to see that. Let's go. What's up, guys? We're down in McDonald's having breakfast. I had chicken nuggets.
There's your chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets.
Great breakfast.
Good breakfast. I have my new shoes, Vans in tie-dye colour. They're pretty cool. And I got a toy. Yay! I'm so happy. Yay!
Happy meal.
Happy meal.
Right.
What's up, guys? We're at the Stratosphere Tower, which is in our hotel. As you can see, there is our pool. My mum is hating it because she is scared of heights. There's the, I think it's that.
Las Vegas
There's
Strip.
Las Vegas Strip, where there's all the hotels. And look at that Trump Towers. Yay, Donald Trump. Guys, we're just about to head to the dam. When we saw this car, it looked sick. Has some scary dolphins driving. There's the car. Pretty cool. Here we are, guys, by the Hoover Dam. We are just about to drive over it. My mum's taking a photo.
Everyone's stopping to take photos as well. At the moment, Ryan, we are in Nevada, because look at the time.
The time is Nevada.
Yeah, I know we're in Nevada Desert.
Yeah, and what time does it say?
I can't read the time.
It says 5 past 2.
It's 2:05 here, guys.
But
If you
we
go along,
Yes. Yes?
That's the Hoover Dam, named in honour of Herbert Clark Hoover.
Hoover. Gold doors. Oh, it's very posh. Very
but
posh.
then you're on
Now,
Arizona.
that lady's in the middle, look, she's split in half.
But look, Arizona
Now it's
is
5 past 1.
So we have just crossed the 2 states.
Well,
We've
we
crossed
crossed the
2
time
states
zone.
and gone back in time by an hour.
Oh my god.
Dun dun dun!
It's like Back to the Future.
Yeah.
Apart from we haven't got the DeLorean.
No, we've got to miss that old.
Oh yeah, these guys haven't even seen the car yet.
Perhaps in a minute you end that video and show them the car then.
We'll show you the car in a minute. So guys, we have got out of the car. Look how low the water is. It should be up by the top, but there
As you
is.
can see the water
See the
line
tide
around
line.
the rocks.
Yeah, you can see the water line because it's
Wow,
really
nice
light
airstream.
and then it's just dark. But here's the Hoover Dam. We're gonna head back to our hotel to
No,
go.
No, we're not.
Go
We're going to
down and
walk
have a
across
look.
it.
Oh, we're gonna walk across it.
Yeah.
And
And have split time zones.
yes, have 2 different time zones because that's Nevada over here, but we are in Arizona. And there's my new shoes. Yo guys, we've just walked across the
Hoover Dam.
Hoover Dam. We're having ice cream, mint chocolate chip and strawberry cheesecake chunk. Very yummy. Let's eat it. That was nice ice cream. We're gonna head back to the car and go to our hotel and go swimming. Swim. Yo guys, we're gonna head back to the hotel. That was the Hoover Dam. We are just driving back over it to go back to the hotel. I still haven't shown you the car, but we have a Nissan Altima. Pretty rubbish, but Not as good as our
Say
mum.
that, you're upsetting.
Yeah, I think it's a nice car.
My mum's stroking the car.
You
Scary.
don't want it to strand you in the desert.
Yeah.
It should always be nice to your car.
Oh, good car, good car, good car, good car.
Still recording.
Good car, good car. Oh, I forgot I'm still recording. Damn it. Anyway, we're gonna head to the hotel, go swimming, and we're gonna get Slurpees! Slurpee, 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 Slurpee! So guys, my dad is asleep in the pool on the thing. Let's go and attack him.
Who did it? Who did it?
We are heading to KFC to go get our tea. So,
All the good stuff.
tea at KFC, but we have to walk for like another half a mile, so yeah, that should take a while. Okay guys, we didn't end up going to KFC. We are in Mary Callender's restaurant and bakery. It's a pie place.
It's a pie shop.
Pie shop. You probably can't
Pie
see
house.
because the camera's really low. But we have all got barbecue platters, which will be really, really
Massive.
yummy.
Hopefully.
Let's see the food in a minute when it
Big
comes.
thing, even though we keep saying
Yum, 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 yum. We're just having our yummy food.
Yummer.
I'll see you when we're back at the hotel to end this
No,
video.
no.
No, we're
on the
going
strip.
along the strip first.
It's too long.
I like the way
Okay
the-
guys, we're in this restaurant as I told you just now. There's our food.
The gorgeous food has arrived.
Yummy food, yummy food. Mmm, so nice.
Very nice.
We're gonna head along, what's it called?
The Las Vegas Strip.
The
and
Las
the
Vegas
dinner.
strips.
And
And
some of the hotels.
go in some of the hotels and do some gambling. Because we're proper pros
Tourists.
at it. Yeah, proper tourists. Yummy food. Yo guys, I didn't record us going along the Vegas Strip because it's so hot and we're all tired because it's nearly 12 o'clock here and it's only 7 o'clock in England, I think. I'm not sure. But we're gonna go to sleep now. My mum's over there. Why are you kissing my phone?
I don't know.
We have got ice coming now. Have you got ice? We haven't got ice.
Oh no.
But guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Remember, like and subscribe. Go subscribe to my dad, Bob76. Go follow my mum on Musically, Tony__Salsa. Bye!